Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Friday. What in the world? It's Friday. And it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. I think I got 4 days worth of growth there. Need to shave. Today's razor is going to be the Gamechanger 0.84 open comb. I think this is going to help me out. I've got a bowl full of warm water here. I've got my soap already lathered up. And this soap was sent to me by Strike Gold Shave, thumbnail. And this one is Lewis and Clark. It is a collaboration between Tobin. I will have a link in the description box to his channel, along with the website for the soap. Now, I will have to say, if you get this, I'm just going to be honest here. The scent off of the tub of soap, I'm getting like a natural soap scent that is kind of covering up the overall scent profile. So if you get this, do not go off of smelling the tub. Now, if you get the splash and you smell it, you can tell instantly it's a different, there's a different aroma coming from it. And it may just be the new base, or it could be my nose. I would like to say thank you to Frank and Tobin for sending me this for review. I'm going to read over the scent notes, and then I will talk about what my nose picks up. So there's a whole bunch of notes in here. It's going to be citrus, ozone, cypress, whole leaf wood, jasmine, Texas cedarwood, mahogany, labdanum, wood smoke, patchouli, tonka bean, oak moss. And this scent is a very nice scent. However, my nose could be different from your nose, and I feel like my camera is a little tweaked here. Maybe that's better, I don't know, or too much. So right off the top, I'm getting kind of a warm, woody. I wrote this down because I sampled this and wore it on the back of my hand. That way, I'm not just giving a raw interpretation on the fly. So I get that warm kind of woodiness scent, and it's not like a fresh cut wood or timber, but more kind of like a seasoned woodiness. And it's got a little bit of earthiness to it as well. And then as time goes by and you get the dry down, I pick up a little bit more of the, and it's not real heavy, but it's a slight sweetness from the tonka and the citrus. And then it kind of moves into this mellow or mildy woodiness. And there is kind of a hint of a smokiness in there. And I do like the dry down scent. Me and my wife kind of go over these scents, and we get each other's opinion. And she said off the, from the initial application and such, the scent was okay for her, but then she really liked the dry down more than the initial application. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. So I'm going to go ahead and get lathered up here. Now, this particular soap is a new base, and I haven't had a whole lot of time with it. So it's a little bit of a learning curve. I used a half a teaspoon and 7 mils of water, which is not a whole lot. And you can see it has a really nice shine to it, but it's also kind of, I don't know if you want to call it sticky, it's different. The lather that it makes is kind of a light foaminess, not like some of the thicker kind of lather that I'm used to. And I was a little surprised that the soap required more soap, less water. And I was speaking to Tobin about it, and he really likes the skin food aspect to it. And it's something that I really need more time with to be able to have more of an input on it. But it does lather. It's going to probably be something that you'll have to adjust your routine with as well. Or it could just be, you know, today. And, you know, for me, sometimes you can use something 1,000 times and one day it's a little off versus the other. And so that's something that we just have to adjust to. All right, let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. And I really love the Gamechanger open comb because it does an excellent job mowing down the stubble. And I forgot to tell you, or maybe I did, it has a Gillette silver blue blade in there. A lot of people think this particular razor is aggressive. For my skin and beard type and the amount of shaves that I do, it works perfectly well. And I have even, you know, used it as a daily shaver. Never had any issues. Sometimes I feel like people say things that they've heard or said, and it becomes kind of a natural thing to say, or maybe a habitual thing that they say. And it just, you know, kind of sticks, and then other people hear it and see it and say it. But I really encourage people that if you haven't tried it or you're thinking about it, to go ahead and try it, because your experience may not be as those that you've heard things from. And that even goes for me. So Sean, if you're watching, I had told him I was going to loan him my Gamechanger selection, and I'm going to do that. I've just got put behind a little bit with some things going on. So I haven't forgot about you. Don't be cussing me because you're expecting a package that hasn't arrived. I will get that to you probably next week. I'm hoping that I've got some other things going on to get set up for shipment. Part of the delay is because of the knee surgery and me not being able to have the freedom to drive whenever I want to. So I have to kind of work around my wife's schedule. But now that has passed, I'm able to drive, though difficult getting in and out of the vehicle. I can do it, so I don't have to worry about that. All right, pass number 2 across the grain. My skin definitely feels very soft with this soap. The residual slickness, there's a little bit there. My skin does have that feeling of extra skin food on it. For some people, that's a requirement. They need it. They have to have it. Other people don't need it, but still enjoy it. Some people don't like it. So it's one of those things that you have to match up your personal preferences with. I may be overstepping here and saying, but I believe there is going to be more things coming out in the adventure line, I will say, with Tobin's collaboration. And the label on that is very nice. I can only imagine back in the day when people were coming over and adventuring or exploring new areas and just being there firsthand. I can't imagine what that would be like. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. Matching splash. I want to give that a little shake. Come on, baby. All right. Trying to feel that aftershave to see what that feels like. The scent is definitely alive in the splash. I believe in Tobin's video, he even said the EDP is to take full effect of the scent. The EDP really takes it home. A little Star Jelly on here. All right, that's going to be the shave for the day. I'll put a photo right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave. You have a great rest of your week.